The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Eastland County in north-central Texas, northwestern Comanche County and central Texas until 10:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:18 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Romney, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will include the following locations: Nimrod, Pleasant Hill, Kokomo, Rucker, Pioneer, Beatty, Scranton, Sight Springs, Sabano, and Carbon. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 330 and 333. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Mills County in central Texas, southern Comanche County in central Texas until 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:48 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Comanche, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Comanche, Gustine, Proctor Lake, Newburgh, Lakin, Energy, Van Dyke, Haas, and Pretty. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.